Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show how to teleport a player from one game world to another in Roblox Studio. For this, we need to open a browser and go to the Roblox Creator Hub. Here, let's enter the Roblox Creator Hub. Click on Creations and here you'll see our worlds. For teleportation to work, both worlds must be public. To do this, click here and select Make Public. Next, let's enter one of these worlds. Okay, here we need a teleport. Right? Instead of making it yourself, you can use a model. Search for teleport, teleport, teleporter. In our case, we need a game teleporter. So let's select it, click OK, and place it. Now let's set it up. Click here and you can customize it. Make it neon or change its color. You can adjust it as you like. There. Well, we need to enter the script and insert the game ID for teleportation. So to teleport here, we click on the three dots. Here we go. We copy these numbers and paste them here. Next, in the game, we need to allow teleportation between worlds. For this, go here, click Game Settings, Security, and allow teleportation to other worlds. Now we can copy this teleporter, right? Let's exit and close it. The main thing is to check that our teleporter is saved, okay? Here. Now we move to another game where we'll teleport. Here, we insert this teleporter, give it the script, and set our first world ID. Alright? Now we go to Settings, give it Teleportation Security, and click Save. There. After that, teleportation should work. Here, let's check if it works. We enter Roblox and go into My World. And step on the teleporter. Here, and teleportation occurs, that's all. This was Weller with you. Goodbye, everyone.